In natural language processing, NLP, intents represent the intention behind users' queries or statements. Identifying intents is essential for creating accurate and effective NLP applications. For example, in a travel booking chatbot, intents could include booking a flight, asking for travel tips, or checking weather conditions at the destination. Clearly defined intents allow NLP systems to categorize user inputs effectively, enabling appropriate and timely responses. Intent identification serves as the foundation on which natural language understanding and robust conversational applications are built, improving user interaction and satisfaction. Entities in NLP represent specific pieces of information mentioned in user inputs. These can include names, dates, locations, products, or monetary values. Properly identifying and extracting entities allows applications to process user requests accurately. For instance, in the sentence "book a flight to Paris on December 10th," entities would be Paris, location, and December 10th, date. Accurate entity extraction is crucial for tasks like booking reservations, information retrieval, and personalized services. Integrating clearly specified entities enhances system understanding, making interactions efficient, relevant, and contextually accurate. Utterances are specific examples of phrases or sentences users might say to express a particular intent. They serve as training data, helping NLP models recognize patterns and contexts associated with each intent. A sufficiently diverse and representative set of utterances is critical. For instance, utterances like "I want to book a flight," "find me a flight," or "reserve a flight ticket" could all signify the book flight intent. Collecting and analyzing utterances allows language models to better generalize and correctly predict users' intents, significantly enhancing the conversational experience. To accurately identify intents, developers must consider various expressions users might utilize to represent a single intent. This includes paraphrases, synonyms, and varying sentence structures. Methods to create effective intents involve analyzing user queries from real-world scenarios, segmenting intents into specific, clearly defined concepts, avoiding overlapping intents to minimize ambiguity. Practical evaluation of intents using real interaction data allows continuous improvement and refinement of the NLP system, ensuring high accuracy and fluid conversational experiences. Azure AI provides several entity types for robust handling of user input. Pre-built entities, automatically recognized entities like dates, times, and geography. List entities, explicitly defined entity values and synonyms for precise matching. Regex entities use regular expressions to extract structured data like telephone numbers or IDs. Pattern.any captures data sequences based on occurrence patterns. These entity types equip developers with versatile tools to accurately discern and handle different kinds of inputs, enhancing reliability and precision in NLP solutions. Effective utterance collection involves capturing diverse expressions users might employ. Strategies include gathering historical conversation data from related customer interactions, simulating user interactions to anticipate likely queries, analyzing customer service logs and social media conversations. Systematic collection ensures broad coverage of language variants and user behavior. Additionally, regularly updating utterances based on real-world data keeps NLP systems responsive to changing language usage and helps maintain optimal model performance and accuracy in intent prediction. Azure Language Studio simplifies intent creation, allowing easy definition and management of various intents. Open Azure Language Studio project and navigate to language understanding. Select a project, then create new intent. Enter a clear, descriptive intent name and confirm. Add sample utterances representing real user queries. Tracking intent accuracy through built-in metrics allows continuous improvement of NLP applications, ensuring that implemented intents align closely with actual user intentions. Defining entities within Azure AI involves access Azure Language Studio. Select entities and choose entity type, pre-built, list, regex, or pattern. Specify entity name and values, or set regular expressions as needed. Entities should reflect actual usage patterns supported by real user data. Detailed entity definitions reinforce the precision with which NLP systems identify critical data within user queries, directly influencing the system's capacity to handle tasks effectively and increasing customer satisfaction through accurate interactions. Managing utterances in Azure Language Studio involves navigating to the intent section, entering diverse sample phrases under the selected intent, incorporating synonyms and alternate structures for comprehensive coverage, regularly reviewing and updating utterances based on live user interactions. Azure provides analytics capabilities that highlight seldom used or ambiguous utterances, offering suggestions for clarity, enhancement, or deprecation. Active management ensures optimum training quality, significantly elevating the effectiveness and responsiveness of NLP solutions. Adhering to best practices enhances intent accuracy in NLP solutions. Important considerations include defining specific, distinguishable intents, avoiding overly broad or too specific intents for optimal performance, using real user inquiry data to inform intent creation, continuously evaluating and refining intents to keep in step with evolving user interactions. Systematic implementation of these practices fosters highly accurate intent recognition, improving user experiences and overall effectiveness in NLP applications. Effective entity definition practices in NLP include clearly specifying entity schemas with relevant examples, using appropriate entity types, pre-built, list, regex, aligned to use case scenarios, consistently reviewing entities to accommodate evolving user data patterns. Fine-tuned entity definitions promote accurate extraction and reduce unnecessary misunderstanding or processing errors, enhancing the NLP solution's reliability, operational efficacy, and resulting user satisfaction. Optimal utterance management strategies incorporate collecting diverse utterances covering various linguistic structures and vocabulary, utilizing a data-driven approach to update utterances frequently based on real interactions, avoiding redundancy, focusing instead on representative and meaningful linguistic patterns, leveraging insights from customer support logs and conversational analytics. Such careful and strategic utterance selection and management bolster NLP system robustness, ensure adaptability to user interaction tendencies, and simultaneously diminish ambiguities and misunderstanding during engagements.